So, students, in this chapter, we will be learning about metallurgy. What is metallurgy? Role of metallurgy, and how a metal is extracted from the ore. In this, we will be also learning about various alloy. So, first is the introduction. Metals and non-metal can be differentiated on the basis of their atomic structure. Physical differences, chemical differences are there. Now, what is the difference between a metal and a non-metal? A metal is that which has tendency to lose electron, whereas non-metal has a tendency to gain electron. The metals are generally electropositive, whereas non-metals are electronegative. The metallic atoms have one, two, or three valence electrons, whereas in case of non-metals, you will see that there are 4, 5, 6, 7 valence electrons. Valency of a metal is decided by the number of electron lost. There are various properties of metal: lustrous, melting and boiling point high, density high, ductility high, malleability, conductivity. So these are the properties of metal, whereas the reverse of it is the property of non-metal. So alkali metals are very good reducing agents. Alkali metals have one electron in their outermost shell, and hence during reduction they give valence electron and are therefore strong reducing agents. They form electrovalent chlorides. These are the examples of electrovalent chlorides. Whereas non-metal, if we talk about, non-metals are good reducing agents. They are good reducing agents. Example: CO2, SO2. These are the examples of non-metals. After this, we have to study about the occurrence of metal. So metal occur in free state or in combined state. They can occur in both oxide, carbonate, halides, sulfides, and sulfates. Mineral and ore. What is a mineral? The compound of various metals found in nature associated with their earthy impurities is called minerals. What is a ore? Natural occurring mineral from which metals can be extracted profitably is called ore. There are various other terms also. First is metallurgy. What is metallurgy? The large scale processes involved in extraction of pure metals from their respective ore is called metallurgy. What is matrix then? Matrix is the rocky impurities. It is the rocky impurities including silica. If SiO2 is present as the impurity, it is known as matrix. What is flux then? Flux is a substance which is added to the ore to remove the impurities. Flux should be of opposite nature of what the impurity is present. If the impurity is basic, then the flux should be acidic. What are the common ores of aluminium, zinc, and iron? Bauxite Al2O3.2S2O, cryolite Na3AlF6, zinc blende ZnS, calamine ZnCO3, zincid ZnO, hematite Fe2O3. So these are the ores of zinc and iron. For this, we require to know the important ores of various elements so that it can be very helpful in learning the extraction of metals. Now, a detailed summary is given for the extraction of metal. First is the process, that is Dressing of the ore. Now let us see what is the dressing of the ore. So the dressing of the ore is concentration of ore. Concentration means ore separation from impurities. What are the various methods of dressing of ore? Hydrolytic method, that is gravity separation, magnetic separation, separation of ore and gangue particles from other impurities which are non-magnetic in nature. Froth flotation method. What is froth flotation method? Separation of ore and gangue by preferential wetting. In this we use pine oil. So the pine oil is used to remove the impurities. Chemical method is also applied. Separation of ore and gangue with the help of various chemicals. One of them is NaOH. After that, step 2. After concentration of ore, the second step is conversion of concentrated ore to its oxide. To convert the pure concentrated ore to its oxide, because it is easy to reduce. So two methods are there, one is roasting, other is calcination. So what is roasting? It is the process of heating the concentrated ore in presence of excess air. The presence of excess air to a high temperature before it is reduced to a metal. You can see the reaction. 2ZnS plus 3O2 gives 2ZnO plus 2SO2. Next is calcination process. What is calcination? It is process of heating the concentrated ore in a limited supply or absence of air. It is done for generally carbonate ore, that is ZnCO3, ZnO plus CO2. After this is reduction of metallic oxide to metal. To obtain the metal from metallic oxide by reduction process. Method of reduction depend on the position of the metal. Reduction can be done by electrolysis method. You can see that Al2O3 is undergoing the reduction process, that is by the electrolysis. At cathode aluminum and at anode oxygen gas will be deposited. Second is reduction by reducing agent. Various reducing agents like carbon monoxide, hydrogen are used. ZnO plus C gives Zn plus Co. Reduction by thermal decomposition gives 2HgO, gives mercury and oxygen. After reduction, the step 4 is electro refining of impure metal. It is to obtain the metal in its very pure form. So on electrolysis of the impure metal, pure metal obtained at cathode, impurities settle down. So these are the 4 steps of extraction for any metal which is required. We will be studying each and every step in very detail so that we can understand how a metal is extracted, purified, refined, concentrated from its natural ore. So next is the extraction of metals, that is various stages involved. We will be studying this in our second lecture of metallurgy. Thank you.